So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now we're going to scroll down till we find Windows Update. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in find and fix problems with Windows Update. Click on it. And then once this comes up, we're just going to run this. So click on next, wait for this to load. And if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. Now, if that's still not working for some reason, then for the second method, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we're just going to restart computer. And then the problem should be fixed.